So, yes, let's start. Happiness. Happiness. What is happiness? Why we've chosen this topic? So, yes, happiness is a choice. It's always by a choice. It's never said that, being happy is, by our need, by our want. It's the choice what we want right now. So, it's obvious that if you don't want to be happy, you will not be happy. But it's a choice, our choice, that we want to be happy or not. I always say life is like a camera. Okay, so there is actually a saying. So yes, I really believe it, I really like it. Life is like a camera. Focus on what's important and capture good times. Dwell from the negatives. If you think things don't work out, take another shot. So happiness is always inside out, it's never outside in. Under say it comes. So it's, you can never say that happiness is something, we have to feel outside, we have to look good outside, then it comes from inside. No, happiness comes from within. So if you're happy inside, it will show outside. It will show by your positive emotions. Happiness is always like a rainbow of positive emotions. I always say that. So that positive emotions include your good memories, your gratitude, your joy, pride, contentment, well-being. So this is, there are so many: trust, care, honesty, all of these emotions. Whatever emotions, being positive, you can always call them happiness is a choice, and those emotions always make you a better person when you choose those emotions. But it's very difficult to choose those emotions, because I always say that happiness never comes without pain. Success always needs efforts to come. So without effort, success can never be there. You are supposed to, I am supposed to, we all are supposed to train our mind in a way that we know how to count on our good memories. Because this positive emotions, including all of these: contentment, joy, care, trust, honesty, all of these emotions are different for everybody. Everybody has a different notion, everybody has a different experience for these emotions. Somebody is, very honest, but somebody is not honest. So for somebody, honesty is not happiness. For somebody, trust is happiness. For somebody, being at well-being, being at good health is happiness. For some people, spirituality is happiness. For everybody, there are different types of happiness. For me, my happiness depends on different factors. I have different definition of happiness. I always don't understand what's the definition of happiness. I always keep discussing with everybody. What do you say? What's the definition of happiness? Definition of happiness is always experiencing your positive emotions and lessening, decreasing your negative emotions. So experiencing those positive emotions and decreasing the negative emotions is your choice, and that's what you call happiness. But there are some people who are not truly happy when even they choose positive emotions over negative emotions. According to the survey, according to the research, there are people who are not really happy with those emotions. They feel that, our purpose of life, when we know the purpose of a life, when we know where we are today, what we are doing. So for us, happiness is when we are truly are inclined spiritually, we are at well-being, we know what we are doing. That is happiness for us. So that's why I say, for happiness, it's everybody has a different definition. Happiness for some people might be success, for some people might be fun, for some people might be family. So yes, happiness depends on various different factors. There is, a lot of wide range of emotions when you talk about happiness. And but you should always remember one thing, or we should always remember one thing, that when we always have to be happy, we will not be able to face the new challenges coming in our life. We'll feel, if these challenges are coming, we'll feel so happy, so content with ourselves, that we'll just feel that, that okay, we are happy. This will pass by, this will go by. We will not be able to take challenges. So it's very important to maintain healthy happiness. Happiness should always be healthy. First thing we should always remember, fostering kindness to yourself and to others. By that I mean it's very important that if you foster kindness to yourself in this competitive world, in this world, it's very important because before giving showing gratitude to somebody else, before giving kindness to somebody else, it's very important for you to love yourself, for you to be kind to yourself, for you to feel that, and then definitely happiness. One negative thought is coming to your mind, stop it there, just stop it there, उसको वहीं रोको. Think about it, give it 10 seconds, think about it, shift that thought to a positive thought. See, we always have a habit as human beings, when we are going through negative, we always think more what more worse could have happened to us, instead of thinking what positive or what best could have happened to us. We always say what worse could have happened to us. So this is our human tendency, this is our human nature. So I always say that stop your thought there, shift it to a positive thought. Whatever thought you're getting right now, negative thought, whatever, shift it and focus on another thought. In our very first session of positive thinking in this group, we spoke about this. I don't know how many people followed it, but yes, I really want to know actually how many people followed this. Stop, shift, and focus to other thought. So yes, stop, shift, and focus is very, very important to another thought. So for example, I'm getting a negative thought. Let's just believe, okay, let's just do this exercise. Let's just believe that we are going through some negative thought, okay? So now let's just shift, just stop for a second. Just I will count till 3. You have to stop your thought there. Whatever thought, negative thought you're coming in your mind, stop it there, okay? So yes, let's start. So you think whatever negative thought it's coming to your mind. Now stop that thought there. Shift that thought to a positive thought. That if this was not done, what could have been the positive side of this? If this is the negativity I'm facing through, what would have been the positive side of this? Now focus on that positive thoughts. I'm sure you must have seen a drastic change how you train your mind. Training your mind is not easy. It doesn't take 2-3 days. When we start dieting, you know what happens? We feel, हाँ 2 दिन तो हम diet बहुत अच्छे से कर रहे हैं. We are following the diet. But later on, after 2 days, we say, यार नहीं हो रहा, बस नहीं हो रहा. So let's stop it here, right? So that is there. When you do that, when you continue that for coming 4-5 days, eventually you get used to it, and then you feel, no, I'm at the right direction. So ऐसे ही, just like that, you have to focus on this. Stop, shift, and focus on another positive thought. Keep doing this. Keep practicing this at least for 21 days. When your brain gets rewired with this thought, you will. And the other person wants to do the same thing because he thinks that, because of this thing, what she is doing or what he is doing, it's better. and what I am going through, that's not better. So here, exactly, happiness for some people is what? Doing those things what others are doing, and feeling that this person is right and is at the right path, and maybe I'm at wrong because ये तो सही कर रहा है, maybe मैं गलत हूँ कहीं पर. Happiness is not copying others. I am clapping today, okay? You all clap with me. So exactly, I am telling you to do this, so you're doing it. So happiness is not following. Happiness is not following. Happiness, if some other person is happy because of something, that doesn't mean you will be happy because of the same thing. So do not copy and compare. Do not copy and compare. When you start comparing, when you start copying others, you will see that your happiness doesn't last for long. Happiness doesn't last for long at all. At all. I believe happiness is confiding to somebody you trust, talking to someone whom you trust. Happiness comes from relationships. Negative. Always, always. First thought which comes to our mind is always negative. Gratitude. It will be difficult, but if you follow that, you will see a drastic change. Third is kindness. Be kind to somebody. If you say some kind words for someone in a day, it will not harm anybody, right? If somebody is looking good or doing good, appreciate, and the same way appreciate yourself, because you are doing best for yourself. You know what you are, you're doing best for yourself. Nobody can do better than what you're doing for yourself. So appreciate yourself every day. Stand in front of the mirror. Yes, your behavior matters because you balance out your body when you're exercising, right? So it shows that your behavior matters a lot. If you focus on these five small things, you will see a drastic change in your happiness, in your behavior. But this will not take 2 3 days. It will at least take a period of 21 days, or I would say maybe 40 days. It will take time because you have to rewire your brain, train your brain, and it's not easy. It needs your point. It's the time to look at it. Angry is happy or being peace is happy. So my few questions from you are: being joyful. Are you being joyful right now? Are you at peace? Are you angry? Are you happy? Are you comfortable? Answer these questions to yourself. Answer these questions to yourself. You will see exactly where your life is lying and how happy as a person you are. How happy as a person you are. Imagine yourself being failed in elections, getting bad grades, taken out from your job, marriage is not successful, everything is going bad. Then is where your happiness dies. You feel everything is bad, my happiness gets over. So there are two types of happiness: natural and synthetic. Natural is always what we get, what we wanted, we get it naturally. Okay? We don't have to force ourselves. We don't have to create what we want, what we get. No. Synthetic is always what we get when we don't get what we wanted, right? So synthetic happiness is mostly, I think, so many people all of us follow that. Why? We try to create our happiness. We do not trust in the process of being natural. The same way, अगर हम बार बार बोलते हैं हमारी तबीयत खराब है, तबीयत खराब है, तबीयत खराब है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाती है. हमारे पास काम ज़्यादा है, हम स्ट्रेस में तो स्ट्रेस भी हो जाएगा ना. आपको ये बोलनी नहीं है बात बार. You don't have to say this. Why are you creating thoughts? Why are you creating what is not natural? Create what is just natural. Naturally, we living beings want peace. We living beings want happiness. So yes, naturally we have to be happy with a lot of things. Synthetic happiness is temporary. It's not permanent. It's never permanent. Natural stays forever. I'm sure it's always said natural beauty is always the best beauty, right? Nature, natural. So live in those. Don't live in the synthetic happiness by creating when we don't have something and believing that yes, if we have it, everything will be good. And I always say believe in what you say. आप जो बोल रहे हैं, whatever you saying, believe in that and follow that. Don't preach what you don't say. It's always easier to tell others. It's easy for me to tell you, right? But if I don't follow it, how can I be happy? How can I be, at peace with myself? So it's very easy to tell. But if you follow it, you are at the right place, you're at the right moment, and you're doing right to yourself. So yes, these small things leads to happiness. If I am right. 90% of your long term, this is a survey, okay? I'm telling you a survey. 90% of your long term happiness depends on the preference. What is happening outside? How is somebody's behavior affecting me? How is that someone's behavior solving my problems? How is that person treating me? That is where my happiness is lying. That's the problem. We always feel what others are thinking about me. If they are thinking good about me, we are happy. But actually, what we are doing? For example, you are going in an AC. There is an AC room. I put a conditioned air. You're going wearing 4 blankets, okay? Now tell me one thing. Will you feel that coolness in the room? No. You will not feel the coolness in the room. Why? Because you're not being natural. You're not being natural. Your happiness is depending on the outer shell which you've given to yourself. You've all covered yourself with 4 blankets all over, probably 4 jackets, and how will you feel that coolness? No, you cannot feel it. You have to let yourself loose to feel that happiness. You have to let that feeling not depend on outside. You have to let that feeling of happiness depend from inside. That's why from the starting of this session I said happiness depends inside out, not outside in. So let go of that. You don't have that other outside circumstances to stop you from happiness, so stop you from generating happiness. You have to let go of at that ease. It's Very, very important. Very, very important. I know we are not discussing today, but I just want that if some people define happiness the way I define it, and if you guys are able to understand what happiness is, please just write yes. I want a yes from you. So I'm waiting. Please. I'm waiting a yes from you, and then we will move forward with things. Okay, so hi Sonia, hi Arvinder, hi Preet, hi Alok, hi everyone, hi Ramandeep. Okay, so happiness is a wide range of emotions. We do not always ask people, tell us what we do, what we have to find us. It's very simple. We always feel that if you're looking good, if you've dressed up nicely, मतलब हर चीज में मजा आना चाहिए. अगर मैं आज कुछ बोल रही हूँ तो उसमें भी आपको मजा आना चाहिए. हर चीज में there should be मजा. ठीक है, that is your thought. So yes, that is also important. That is equally important that yes, you should enjoy for whatever you're doing. That is your happiness. That is my happiness. And whatever I'm doing, I should enjoy it thoroughly. I should feel at ease. I should feel nice. So yes, if any negative thought is really disturbing your mind so much, if it is bothering you a lot, write that negative thought. We also discussed in the earlier sessions. Burn it, throw it, write that negative thought, one negative thought every day. Write it down, burn it and throw it. Because thoughts are automatic, they will never stop. But we can always follow the practice of training your mind in the simple ways which I told you. So always say, this doesn't solve a problem. We have to be able to confide to someone, spiritually be inclined with things. Again, spiritually is not being inclined in a way कि आप spiritually पूजक. No, spiritually is always in a level inclined where you are at peace with yourself, where your well-being is affected. You are happy and your happiness, your state of happiness defines your well-being. Right? There will be problems, there will be depression, there will be anxiety, there will be many mental issues. But our mind should be trained in a way that we are able to deal with these thoughts. And when you deal with these thoughts, you are a happy person, you are a successful person. Then we say we are successful. Because for everybody, definition of success changes. We change our post. When we reach on a level, for example, a child, he's already getting A. But now the mother is saying, why don't you getting A+? A person is already doing well in job. And then you expect it to do more well in job. Okay, today I am a VP and then I'll be shifted as an executive VP. No, your goals change. Your goals keep changing as you increase that level. But your happiness should not be determined by those goals. Your happiness should not be determined by anything else. Your happiness should be determined by being spiritually inclined. There are people who are doing more than you, but we cannot compare. Your life, your happiness is always a journey. Transformation is a journey. Happiness is a choice. This is a journey. It's not a destination. It will keep going. It will never stop. Happiness will never stop. It's not a destination. It's a journey. It will keep flowing. So let your happiness flow like a wave of water, with humility, with kindness, and with purity. And nothing else. Mix your emotions in that. And we will stop our session now. I hope everyone is equally present there and follow these small things and see a positive change in your happiness, in your behavior. And next time, I would love if you share your thoughts. Tell me what topic we should take further. Thank you. Stay happy. Stay successful, stay positive, and stay joyful. Thank you.